How to add color on Snapseed. Are you guys looking to make your photo more vibrant and eye-catching? Snapseed offers several powerful tools to adjust the color of your image. Whether you want to enhance the color, add a pop of vibrance, or change the tone of your photo, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First of all, open Snapseed on your mobile device. Now click on the plus icon. Browse through your image that you want to add color on. Once you browse the image, now click on Tools. Now click on the first option, Tune Image. Once you click on it, now look at the bottom of your screen, click on this icon over here. Once you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. If you want to increase the contrast of the picture, swipe left or right to increase or decrease the contrast. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add colors to your Snapseed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.